Ni President William Ruto uria umuthi ugeire na giikaro na hunjia rungu rwa ngwataniro ya makanitha ma kiroho ya EAKE hindi ya ukungwiri wa miaka 50 kuma riria ngwataniro ino yambiriirio guku bururi-ini. President Ruto eririkania ndugu yake ihinda iraya na kanitha akioya mweke uyu gutariria ati ona thengia uteti wenda gutirika ndugu yake na kanitha na niehariirie gutungatira bururi ta uria ehitire gwikaga.
I walk by faith. Many walk by sight. They say we have not seen. You are lying. We have not seen. So that's the disconnect sometimes I do have, because it takes time for people to see. Let me promise you that the commitments we made, by God's grace, those who did not see are beginning to see. You cannot hide the houses anymore. You cannot hide the markets anymore.
President oya mweke uyu gwitaburukia hamwe na maundu maria akinyaniirie agitariria ati niahotete gukinyukithia bururi makinya maugaciru wa kiwonjoria kuria ningi atariria ati President Uhuru Kenyatta atigire bururi hatikaini ya kuremererwo nginyagia ni urihi wa ngombo ciaguo.
Before the handover, my predecessor met the Azimio team here in Masai Lodge. And my predecessor told them, in 3 months' time, our country is going to default in our foreign obligations, because we were among the 6 countries in Africa that were estimated that they will default on their international financial obligations. But I stand here today, here before you, to tell you Kenya did not default.
Ningi Ruto no agwetete ati bururi wa Kenya uri na hoti munene wa gukinyukia makinya na gukinyanira na mabũrũri maria mathiete na mbere na ati niehariirie kuya mweke uyu gukinyukithia bururi wa Kenya haria president angi matari mahota kukinyukithia.
We have wasted a lot of time making peace with mediocrity, working with the average, when God wants us to be excellent. So, and let me tell you, in our lifetime, it is possible to move this country from the third world of today to first world. I say this and some people think I am mad. I am not mad. It is possible.
Hadi Kameme TV, tutakuwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.